Welcome to JH. Let's take a look at FigureGalaxy.shop, an online store that claims to sell everything from kitchen gadgets to outdoor gear. They're tempting us with mega sales and discounts so deep you'd think they were allergic to making a profit. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, but is it actually legit or just another digital trap for your credit card? They're selling everything including the kitchen sink, probably at a price that wouldn't even cover the shipping on a toothbrush. Let's start with their reviews, which look impressive until you notice something truly magical. Some of these glowing testimonials are dated 2023, despite the website domain not being registered until 2025. Apparently, they've mastered time travel just to sell you a blender. That's not just a red flag, it's a full-blown siren. Moving over to Facebook, the feedback is less 5 stars and more, "Where's my stuff?" Multiple users report never receiving their orders, while customer support remains as silent as a mime in a library. Interestingly, the site doesn't even stock the oversized furniture it advertises, like those human-sized couches. I guess those are reserved for the imaginary customers living in 2023. The domain itself was only registered in June 2025, making it newer than the milk in your fridge. New sites have zero track record, which is a gamble I'd rather not take with my bank account. To make matters worse, a reverse image search reveals their product photos are just borrowed from other websites. Because why bother taking your own photos when you can just steal someone else's hard work? Finally, there's the total lack of founder information. No names, no faces, and absolutely no background. Most real businesses are proud to show off their team, but these guys are staying more hidden than a witness in federal protection. When you add up the fake reviews, the stolen photos, and the non-existent support, it's clear that FigureGalaxy.shop is a sinking ship. My advice: stay far away and keep your money where it belongs, in your pocket. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to avoid getting ghosted by scammers. Stay safe out there.